Hey everybody, this is a short video on the microphone issue that everybody said that it's not really good or it's garbage. This is the built-in microphone for the unit. Well, mine worked perfectly. There are some settings in the back you could set it up or change them. So what I did is I utilized the internal microphone. I set it up right there. I tested maybe to put it up here and then again in the corner. But I think this is the best position for the microphone so that everybody's sharing, like, you know, the one sitting beside me or in the back. It is a really good microphone, strong. I actually am lowering the voice on the other end. I tested with my other cell phone. You know, with my wife or friend. I took their cell phone and I gave them mine. I let them sit in my truck. So that's the best way to go. Place it right here. Everything is hidden. There's a 3 amp trigger in the back. You don't block your time. I initially wanted to put it in the middle. So here's the unit. The glare is no problem. The internal microphone is okay. But if you install the external microphone, then it would be really better. As I previously mentioned, I spend my time on the road. I travel a lot, and it's essential for me to have a good communication with my clients and family and friends. So there you go, guys. A quick update. Microphone positioning hidden. With the cables inside, I just shoved everything in the back, clean, and no issues at all. This is for the T8 Octacore, the link from Young. This is what you'll get. It's included in the unit. Thank you. Have a good day.